Whole squadron of World War II planes that's coming in right now. I just saw a C-47, a P-40 Warhawk, a P-51 Mustang, and I believe here comes the C-47. That's a C-47 troop transport. C-47. There goes the P-40 Warhawk. Corsair, I believe. And I believe that's the Mustang. No, the Mustang had a yellow front. Huh, there's another plane. There were 5 planes in total. I only count 4. I think that was a P-51. Where's the P-51? I just saw a P-51. Yeah, I think the last one was a P-51 Mustang. Oh, thank you for watching. Bye.